Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am headed here into CVS. Guys, CVS is fired this week. Oh my God. I think I'm probably going to end up doing a video like every day this week because there's so much stuff. And this video here is nothing but glitches, glitches, glitches. So get your paper coupons out, get your CVS app out, and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so this is the first deal that we're going to do. So I'm not sure how it's going to work out. I'm kind of testing it out because I know there is a glitch with the BOGO coupon, the paper coupon, as well as the digital coupon, or the BOGO coupon and the $5 off 2 coupon. But I also have a $3 off 3 hair color CRT. So I want to see how I can combine all of this to be able to use the BOGO digital, the BOGO coupon, the BOGO digital, the BOGO paper, the $5 off 2 digital, and my $3 off 3 CRT, as well as I have a $4 off 18 hair care CRT. I don't think the $4 off 18 hair care CRT is going to attach because for some reason I have a hard time getting that to attach to anything, even with shampoos and conditioners. So I'm going to try that, and I'm going to come back to you guys and let you know how I make out. But I think you have to grab 4 boxes if you want to combine all of those CRTs. So I'm headed up to the register. I'll be right back. And guys, you don't have to get the root touch-up. You can get any of the Clairol dyes. You can get the Natural Instincts or whatever. But these root touch-ups are, I think they're $8.99 at my store. Some people's store, I know there's 9 something. So just, you'll have to adjust your math with whatever prices you have at your store. Okay, also guys, I forgot to tell you that when you buy 2 boxes of the Clairol dye, you get $4 back in extra bucks. And you can only do the deal one time. So even though I'm buying 4 boxes, I'm only going to get $4 in extra bucks because you can only do it one time. Okay, now guys, I have a $10 extra buck that I want to use. So I'm going to pair in another deal with this so that I don't lose anything on my extra buck. So I'm going to grab the 2 Always. I'm going to get I got an Always Discreet and an Always Discreet Boutique. I wanted just the plain 2 Always, but they only had 1, so I had to grab some of the Always Discreet Boutique, which is fine. But they are on sale 2 for $12. Now, you're also going to have a glitch with this because you could use the $5 off 2 paper coupon that is in your June P&G. It doesn't expire to I think like July 4th or 2nd, something like that. I don't know. I got to dig mine out. And then you can use that, and it's going to glitch with the $5 off 2 digital coupon. All right. So there's no extra bucks that you get back with that. But that's still a good deal because if you do those 2 and they're 2 for $12, it'll come to $2. So it's like $1 each. Excellent deal. Especially when they're regularly $7.29 a piece. Now I'm going to throw in the Poise because there's also a glitch with the Poise. The Poise are on sale 2 for $13, and it's not just these. It's just about all the small bags and boxes of Poise. They're 2 for $13, and again, you don't get any extra bucks with those either. But the $5 off 2 Poise paper coupon that just came out in your Sunday paper yesterday is going to glitch with the $5 off 2 digital coupon. So that means getting those 2 would leave you paying $3. Now, I'm putting all of this together because I also have a $5 off 25 adult care CRT, and all of these products are considered adult care products. So between the two glitches with all the $5 off digital coupons and the $5 paper coupons, and then my $5 off adult care CRT, this should be absolutely free, because you have 4 $5 coupons, which is $20, plus the $5 CRT, which is $25. The 2 Always Discreet come to $12, and the 2 Poise come to $13. 12 and 13 is $25, so these should be free. So let's head up to the register and let's see how everything turns out. Okay, guys, everything worked out fabulous. Everything worked out according to plan. So yes, I got the Always and the Poise for free, and with the Clairol, it ended up being like $7.96 out of pocket. So you figure like $2 per box. But that also gets you to tracking for a free box of dye, because I think it's for every 8 that you buy, every 7 that you buy, you get the 8th one free, or every 8 that you buy, you get the 9th one free. I don't know. I have to look and see what that is. Okay, I had to look it up for you guys. I didn't want to be wrong. So you buy 7 and you get the 8th one free. So I am just 1 away, because I already bought 2 before. So I'm just 1 away from getting a free hair dye. So that's fabulous. So let's go over our receipt. So here you see the Always Discreet liners were 2 for $12. That's the first 2 things on the receipt. Then the Poise pads were 2 for $13. Then we have the Clairol dye, $8.99 a piece. You see I got 4 of them. Then here are my coupons that came off. There's the paper manufacturer coupon for the dye, which was buy 1 get 1 free, up to $7.99. Then the $5 coupon for the Always, the $5 coupon for the Poise. Now here's our glitches, guys. There's the $7.99 digital coupon for the Clairol. There's the glitch, the $5 Poise digital coupon. Then there's the $5 Clairol coupon. There's the glitch for the $5 Always digital coupon. And then my $5 off 25 adult care CRT, my $3 off Clairol, of 3 Clairol hair color CRTs. And then I used a $10 extra buck to bring my out of pocket down. And I paid $1.98 out of pocket. So really my total was $11.98 out of pocket. But then I got back a $4 extra buck for buying 2 of the Clairols. So then that means I paid $7.98 out of pocket. So the $7.98 out of pocket was for the 4 hair dyes, which means I paid like $2 for each box, which I'm totally fine with. So guys, look through your CRTs, look through your digital coupons, look through your paper coupons, match everything up, see what you can come up with. Come back, let me know how you made out. Let me know how many hair dyes you end up getting, or let me know how many Always Discreet you got. Now, listen, I don't know if I could have used another $7.99 BOGO paper coupon. I'm not sure. I probably could have, which would have given me all of the dyes for free. Now that I think about it, I probably should have done that, but it's too late. I'm still fine with what I got. But if you do that and it works out, come back and let me know how you made out. All right, guys, until the next time, keep on saving.